Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart, 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us. And we can see that right now gold is standing at 2063. This is the current market price. Yesterday, gold was trying to go up. Gold made a high of around 2070, but there was a sudden drop. Gold fell to 2056 level, and we saw immediately gold recovering from the fall. And if we look at the chart right now, you can see that overall the trend of the market may be towards the upside. But right now, if we focus on the present trend of the market, there should not be any doubt that gold is sideways. Now you see, try to understand the scenario here. Overall trend is up, means buyers are dominating. After that, we saw retracement, but right now we can see the market is sideways. So market is out of retracement right now, and you can say that mostly the market is waiting for a bigger event to continue the direction again, or market is waiting for a new direction. Market is waiting for a fundamental factor that will provide a direction to the market. And as we all know that usually we don't get to see much craziness volatility during the first week of January, but this week is special because if you look at the economic calendar, you can see that during the US session we have ISM coming up, so there will be some sort of volatility, not much craziness, but FOMC will be very important. After that, we also have NFP coming up on Friday. So this week is full of events, and yes, we can expect that we will get a particular direction after FOMC or after NFP. So let's look at a chart of gold first. Sorry, DXY. Okay, as a forex trader, it is very essential, important for each and every one of you to know what is going on in DXY, US dollar index. After all, US dollar is the most traded currency in the world, most popular one. On the chart of DXY, we can see that DXY is showing some recovery right now, standing at the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. And the previous support is also acting as resistance. So if we combine all the factors here, we can expect that market will be facing more selling pressure around this area. And right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session. Till European session, we can expect that market will be facing some sort of selling pressure around this zone here. If market shows upside, then 103.30 to 102.95 will be the next resistance on the chart of DXY. Because of FIBO 38.2% retracement level, previous support will be working as resistance, and you can also see we have 200 moving average around the area. So if market breaks also this level, market will be under pressure because sellers are dominating the market right now. And as we all know, that for the last couple of days and weeks, we don't have anything or any news that will bring a recovery on DXY. We still don't have that. After FOMC, there may be some recovery, but before FOMC, I don't think so that DXY will be going for any sort of trend reversal. Okay, so be careful at the time of FOMC and at the time of NFP. Now let's talk about gold. So overall, the levels that we discussed yesterday are still the same, my dear friends. On the chart of gold, the best support on the chart of gold is still around 2044. It can be 2043, it can be 2045 as well. And the problem is that 2044 is far away from the current market price. Usually, okay, this is not a big space or this usually gold covers this type of distance within a single day, but right now we can see that there is not much volatility. So as a result, it may take a long time to cover this distance. So still keep in mind that 2044 is the best support on the chart of gold, and during the day if you see gold coming down, the volatility of the market will be very important. During the European session also, if the volatility of the market remains like this, agar volatility aisa hi raha, okay, I don't think so market will have the strength to go towards 2044 because we have multiple small support levels. The first support will be around 2058, or around the yesterday's level. If the volatility, see, try to understand the logic here. To break any level, volume is extremely important. If there is not much volume to break a particular level, market will just bounce a little. So if you see market is going down, but the volume is very low, then you can go for a buy at 2058. Next support is around 2054 and then 2051 to 2050. We have three small support levels. Not a single level have the strength and potential to hold the market at a time of news. But before news, when there is less volatility, you can expect that we can get at least 25 to 30 pips around these areas. So my dear friends, these are the three levels where you should be looking for buy opportunities before news. After news, market will be volatile and these levels will not work. But before news, you can expect that if market drops, we may look for some buy opportunity around this area. And forget that the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. So looking for a buy is much more safer thing to do here. And previously the market was under pressure. We were seeing some retracement. But right now we can see that retracement is also over and market is showing sideways nature. Overall trend is up, present trend is sideways. So in this market condition, looking for a buy position is much more safer thing to do here. And if you're in a very tight spot, you cannot afford to lose any money, you cannot afford to take any risk, then obviously these are the levels where you should be considering buy position only, because in this type of market situation, many of you lose your patience and you enter on the middle of the chart, and that is a very bad decision. Don't lose your patience because the market is not right now. After the first week of January, you can expect the market to behave normally. Okay, but right now, the right time has not come yet. So respecting the overall trend of the market, respecting the present trend of the market, we will be looking for buy positions only around this area, this area, this area. But these are weak levels. Okay. And this level is there also. But let's wait and watch. No level is good enough right now. So be careful. Be careful with your risk management as well. And you can also look for sell positions. But taking a sell position going against the trend of the market is a little bit risky one. So I will not recommend. But if you have the risk appetite, if you have proper risk management skills, then you can look for some selling opportunity around 207273 or 2080. These are the two levels where as a scalper you can look for some quick selling opportunities for 15-20 pips. Otherwise, try to avoid. If you're a beginner, if you're in a very tight spot, then obviously you should follow that I told couple of minutes ago. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Be careful at the time of FOMC, and if you're unable to trade right now, okay, don't lose patience, don't take bad positions. The market condition is not right now. Okay, after first week of January, maybe things will improve and we will get some better things to do. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.